Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to play Valorant on a school computer. It's important to understand that school computers come with significant limitations. These devices are designed for educational purposes, not high-performance gaming. You'll encounter strict security measures, network restrictions, and often a lack of administrative access. These factors make installing and running a game like Valorant incredibly challenging, if not impossible, on most school-issued machines. Let's dive into the technical hurdles. Valorant demands a decent system, typically requiring at least 4 GB of RAM and a capable processor. Most school computers, however, are equipped with basic integrated graphics, not the dedicated cards needed for smooth frame rates. Furthermore, school networks often have strict filters that prevent downloading large game files, and even if you could, the limited storage space might be another barrier to overcome. Beyond the technical challenges, there are significant policy and risk considerations. Attempting to install unauthorized software, like Valorant, on a school computer almost certainly violates your school's acceptable use policy. Such actions can lead to serious disciplinary consequences, including suspension or even the loss of your computer privileges. Remember, school IT departments actively monitor network activity and installed software to maintain a secure and productive learning environment. Given these challenges, the best approach is to consider alternatives. If you're keen on playing Valorant, your personal computer at home is the ideal platform. During school hours, focus on your studies and use school computers for their intended educational purpose. If you enjoy gaming, explore browser-based options that don't require installation, or discuss setting up a suitable gaming environment with your parents or guardians for home use.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.